Hi, Caleb. I wanted to just kind of show you a little bit about how to solve these problems. So I'm on slide number 4, and this is 79 divided by 3. So what I would do is I would model 79 up here, and the reason it's divided by 3, so you have 3 boxes you're going to split it into. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that's 70, and now we're going to do 9. So to get 9, I'm going to move these over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. This is just a template, so please ignore that, okay? Just focus on the ones I put here. So I'm going to start by dividing the 10s, okay? So I'm going to divide each 10. I'm going to drop them one here at a time. So 1, 2, 3. I can keep going. 1, 2, and 3. Now, here's a little problem because this is 110, and that's not enough to go in 3 boxes. But 10 is too big of a remainder. If the remainder is more than 9, it's too much, okay? So basically, if the remainder is bigger than the divisor, which is 3, it's too big, okay? So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to break it. I'm going to regroup it into 10 ones, because then I can divide those. So I'm going to put this back over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, at this point, since I already had 9 ones and then I added 10 more, I should have 19 ones now. Let's just double check, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So I do have 19 ones. You just want to make sure it's easy to make a mistake. So now I'm going to drag and drop. 1 in each box until I can't share them equally anymore. Once you're done sharing, if you have left over, again, you got to see if it's too big to be a remainder. If it's too big to be a remainder, you got to keep sharing. So I'm going to keep going. And it is very easy to get lost in this. So just make sure you're keeping track of what you're doing. Make sure you have the same number. So this one has 5, 5, and 5. Okay, I'm doing good. So I'm going to keep going. Okay, and now, as I look at this, I have 1 left over, and I can't share that. So that is my remainder. Okay, so I would just slide that remainder over there. So my answer, my quotient, is going to be how much is in 1 box and my remainder. So in 1 box, I have 26. And then I have a 1 left over, so I'm going to put R1. Now, the way I can check to see if I'm right is if I were to go backwards. So since it's 79 divided by 3, if I were to say 26 times 3 plus 1, if that were to get me 79, it would be correct. So 26 times 3 is 78. And if I add 1 more, that's 79. So that proves that my answer is correct. So I hope that helps.